Time to start the day. Oh yeah, I forgot a while ago I asked JJP to be a 3T22. I guess this is day one.
Oh hey, nice to meet you. I am Dodo Kitty.
It's me, silly. I'm the D.
The D is a Thunderbolt 1000 D.
Yeah, I'm a 3T22 now.
Oh, well, yes that makes sense.
Yeah, I made him a 3T22.
Nice. And 3T22's usually female.
Yes, but there are some 3T22s that are male.
Like me. I got them.
If you two are wondering, I did get inspiration from the McKinley Street 3T22, but not from his annoyance.
Oh hi the D, I see you're not a T-Bolt like me anymore.
He has a 3T22 now. The only difference is he has a male.
Well, there is another male 3T22 in the show.
Okay, I also noticed your voice has got like a lower tone than the last DSR episode you were in.
Well, that's what happens when you're a boy and you get older. As you get older, your voice gets deeper.
So, enjoying the new form.
Yep.
Nice, that's good to hear.
So far, so good.
So what?